دلم نبود احساس شد عشق من کنار تو خاص شد تو رو خواستم
امروز اومدیم یه دونه مزرعه هست تو لنگلی از طرف شرکتمون فرستادن. خیلی جالبه اینجا بود. خیلی وقت با حیوانات پیدا ندیده بودیم. اینجا مثلا پیدا نمیشه. اومدیم اینجا خیلی جالبه. جا تو خالی نهار و بستنی و همه چی هم که میگن از طرف شرکتمون. بعد این بسته ها رو هم دادن توش غذای حیواناته. حیوانات میدیم اینا هم میخورن. الان ششمین هفتمین بسته هست ازشون گرفتیم تموم کردیم.
Liebe zu Fisch hier. Können wir noch haben gezogen? Mama, Gott mal.
At soğuk balık zediler böyle biz yiyeceğiz. Senin için neyse yiyeceğiz.
Ik zou het wissen, maar allemaal gezogen. Even.
Oh! Are you serious?
Yeah, you get back all that.
Yeah, exactly, right? Hilarious, man. I'm free. Wait.
On these two are.
Soğuk balık zediler.
Ow!
Dişleri. سلام چه bunu ise gaza veriyorsunuz hocam.
Can you film me?
Hı?
Can you film me?
Hatta ben özür filmi çötüyorum. Gaza veriyorsunlar. Oh yavaş. Öyle demiyor.
I'm scared.
İyi bu poşeti kapattı. Poşetiyle yedi bu. Koy yesin. Poşetin atar yere. İyi bu. Şimdi poşetini de yiyenler. Çabuk da sen ver. Kokra poşeti de yedi. Ya hiç olmaz. Eller çetsi koyun da kartım geldiler. Çabuk da bak.
Bestanın yerine küçük oldu.
Nobiye dururlar burada. Bunlar da otururlar burada. Burada. Bunlar bir tane parkur tahtalı. Bunlar da doğuzdular. Doğuzlar, ballalar da bunlar. Nasılsın? bizim şirkətimiz bizi yollayıbdı bir nəmə burada məzrəyə. Burada da mini golf oynarlar. Bakıyor teknere. Elin başına. Neyse bunlara da keza ver. Burada. Selam kankalı. Bir daha, bir. Bir. Dört tane gözü var efendim. Mamalı arada.
He's telling the millennials have the playlist. Here we go. Let's go to the black first. Just a little spray of water in here. No, don't apologize. Oh, yeah. You're good. Tamam, başına alsın üzüm. Üzüm.
Ha?
Kaçıncı?
Çok daha az salın bilenden yazıyorsun. Gəl burada ışıqda. Ha, da burada yaxından. Çox uzağa getmə, onda bilinməz. Şurası.
Enchanted works.
Why just stand
The
there?
big horse there is a retiree from Stanley Park. The carriage
Oh.
right there.
That's so cool.
He lived out back. When he was born, he was black as ace of spades.
Oh.
And we got him when he was about 14. And there was just stars there. Really pretty. And now another 2 or 3 years, he'll be totally white.
Wow.
He thinks that fence is electrified. It's not at the moment. And the mule and the donkey's up in the barn. They figured that out in a hurry. That's why.
Deyib əvvəlki heç idi, sonra oldu ot.
It's a good place to come and sit in the shade and dip your feet in the water if the kids need
O
to
da
get a little
dolu
wet.
videosudur.
We do quite a few school trip field days, so that's why the trees are labeled so that the teachers can write it off as educational farm. And the kids get off here and go for a run through the forest for 10 or 15 minutes. Anybody that wants to come back up and go up in the trails today, you're welcome to walk up there. This is another movie site. Locations person was looking for a spot for a spaceship to land in a forest. So we had an excavator and dug this out, and they came and did it. And then 3 weeks later, they needed to put the aliens through a radiation fence to get rid of them. So they built something down in the cornfield. Did the same. So don't believe anything in the movies. If you see what's done, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Our oldest son and family live in this house, and they do the Christmas tree. So we're wound up November 1st, and they're setting up for the Christmas event. And a lot of the animals come over to this barn for the Christmas season. The trees take about 10 years to get to market size, and when they're cut the next spring, they put a seedling right beside that stump. That's why you see all the different steps out there. Same number of trees out there all the time, pretty much, just different growth paths.
Good way of doing it.
This next field is where we have some of the sweet corn. It's just out of the ground now. We plant late, so we have corn to sell mid-September when we open, right through till November 1st. And we're not on Metro Vancouver water, so we've got water rights on the creek.
O yer orada, paratır ora.
You know I love that.
İndi at biləsinə gəlsin.
So just couple bucks, couple of
Morning.